अंकुर मिश्रा ने आईसीआईसीआई बैंक के ईडी संदीप बत्रा से कुछ सवाल किए हैं। आइए सुनते हैं जरा।
Just wanted to get a sense regarding your margins as well. You have posted around 4.34% this quarter. With the Reserve Bank of India clearly signaling, taking the front loading last time. How are you placed in terms of margin in this fiscal later on in coming quarters?
No. I mean, it's difficult to call out what happens during the rest of the year. But broadly, I mean, our NII grew by about 10% during the quarter, and the NII margin, as you said, was about 4.34% in the current quarter compared to 4.41 in the previous quarter, and about 4.36 in Q1 2020. Of the previous year. Of course, I mean. The movement in the net interest income from Q4 to Q1 was primarily due to repricing of loans linked to external benchmarks, which was according to actions which RBI has taken. Some interest reversals on account of NPA seasonal additions in Kisan credit cards, which normally happens in the first and third quarter, and offset by reduction in deposit rates both on the savings and from savings and term deposits. We do expect the NIMs to sort of compress a little more in the next quarter. After that, we will see how it goes. It depends on RBI's actions, overall liquidity, and if you know from a long-term perspective, NIM was around that 4% before the commencement of the rate hike cycle, which happened in FY22. And then they moved all the way up to 4.5, and before they are declining to the current levels of 4.3. So from our perspective, NIM is one of the levers that we have, and we will continue to focus on maximizing risk-calibrated profit by using various levers. And of course, NIM is one of the levers that we talk about.
All right. Also, I just wanted to understand regarding your home loan growth particularly, do you think this is more scalable in the coming quarters, or you think this kind of momentum will continue?
No, it's difficult to talk about, momentum in the future. Our focus is, wherever the cash flow is happening within the larger economy, we would like to maximize our opportunities by giving seamless delivery to our customers. We will try to look at all cash flows, and in mortgages we have grown by about 10%. I think this is the place I think we called out that we would like to specifically focus on, and it's a secure book, it's a long-term book, and from delivering a 360 relationships to a customer, it is an important part of our portfolio, and we will remain focused on this.
चलिए, तो तमाम बातें, हर पहलू हमने इन दोनों बैंकों के नतीजे और मैनेजमेंट की उस पर टिप्पणी, इन सभी को आपके सामने रखा, जो आपको बेहतर तरीके से सोमवार को इन दोनों बैंकों पर रणनीति बनाने में मदद करेंगी।